y'all, these, I am going to, we're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint this. Right here. I'm gonna use my, of course, favorite plaster, Waverly by Waverly. All right, so we're just going to paint this. And I have a lot, I have papers over here, I have bling over here, I have ribbon. I don't know, we're just gonna go with it and play. This digital deco design now. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I like the font on here too. This is digital deco design. I like this font. She always has a pretty Merry Christmas font. I like that. We're gonna put that on the back. I'm just using a little brush with water on it just to tear it. So we are going to, the font, a Merry Christmas, I think I'm gonna, since this is so, it's not gonna fit on this page, but I'm gonna take this font off and I'm gonna put it in the back. This we're gonna place in the front, and this on the back. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use just good old, I'm just using the regular Mod Podge. Just the right. Okay, so isn't that cute? So you have that little bird. So again, this is Kathy with Digital Deco Designs created these, and they are so cute. I am gonna put a little bitty crown up here on him. I don't have it with me right this minute, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that is, and I'm going to go ahead and seal this. I'll just give it a quick seal with, how cute. I just love that. Archery crackle. So I'm going to put the Merry Christmas, sorry it's backwards, that says Merry Christmas. I love this font. We're going to put that in the back there, on the back of this ornament. So we have Merry Christmas there, and then we have our little bird with the little, isn't he cute, with his little crown. It's really cute. Okay, I'm going to use this antique white to kind of blend that in a little bit. So I'm using an antique, I think it's Antique White by Apple Barrel. I'm going to use that because there's a little yellow tint on this paper. Have that, and then that. I feel like that kind of blended a little bit better. I'm going to use I'm going to use polyacrylic just to give it a little bit more, it'll just protect it a little bit more. I know the Mod Podge will do it, but I kind of want a little bit of a shine to it. And I have it in my bottle. This is by Minwax. It comes in a little can, but that makes such a mess that I had to put it in here. But this just brings out the colors pretty vibrant, and I like that. So, look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. this Fabri-Tac will work. Get that back on. You can use ribbon. Look how cute that is. So cute. And we're gonna do a little bow. All right, so we're gonna, let me get my hot glue on this. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness. Y'all, you gotta go check those out. Okay, we're gonna, this one's a little big for this, but I like it. So we're gonna go with it. All right, see, and you can also put in your little red string. Look, y'all, how cute. Cut that off. How cute is this? So, how pretty is that? And then this, Kathy from Digital Deco Designs, this is one of hers. I did the same thing with that. I put the font or the wording back here. This was one piece, so I did the same with that. But look how cute this looks with the ribbon. This also looks good with the ribbon. But they're so much fun because they're flat and it's a pretty big space. Or you don't even have to have rice paper. Just put a big Totally Dazzled Bling on these and make it elegant with a pretty like gold. They're really pretty. I'm just gonna take this and let's do it like that. I'm gonna go with this. A little bit, like I said, it's a little bit big, but I like it. Break it. Okay. Actually, these are pretty heavy duty, y'all. Like I said, they're pretty heavy duty. Okay, so there's that. How cute is that? And then you have your Merry Christmas back here. And your little truck. This is what we did tonight. I just love these. I think they're cute. Yes, you can give them as gifts too. These are really pretty. So, thank you.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.